Climate changes. What is climate? The climate is the typical weather in the place during the year. What is the weather? Weather is that day-to-day changes in temperature, rainfall, cloud, wind, and area. Weather can change a lot within a very short time. What is climate change? Climate change simply means a change in the world's normal climate patterns. This happens naturally over a very long period. Increase in the world temperature is also called global warming. What is causing climate change? Our Earth is surrounded by different gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. These gases are called the atmosphere. The atmosphere is like a blanket that keeps the Earth warm and stops it from getting too hot or too cold. What might happen if the Earth gets warmer? If humans keep on producing too much carbon dioxide, the Earth's temperature will keep rising. This means the climate all over the world will change. Scientists think that if the Earth warms up too much, the polar ice caps will melt, which will cause the sea level to rise. If the sea level rises, places that are low on the ground will be underwater. Another thing that might happen is that some places will become deserts, which means that there will be fewer places for people to live and grow their crops.